Hello guys, today welcome to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now guys, today our for Imac PC, no sounds. Keep on watching guys. So I show you how to fix no sounds after the installing Windows 10 on Imac PC. Let's check the sounds. For example, YouTube, no sounds, speaker, no sounds, no sounds, no sounds. So, check here, no sounds. So, okay guys, so now visit to appdigo.com, share or search the Apple iMac speaker driver on Google. Okay, download this driver. Available all site, Google site. Okay, now Apple iMac speaker drivers installed. Another run. Next. Accept. Next. Done. So check the sound. See, Logic series, Cirrus Logic. Okay, check sound. Look.
You hold me in the street and you kiss
Okay.
me on the head.
Sounds. No copyright.
Mamshi, eto makatipid kayo. Makakasulit kayo.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight.
So thank you for watching. Done on how to fix sounds on iMac PC. So don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking channel.